Do you think you could make a bracelet with one hand? Well, in this video, I am going to challenge myself to try with a 4th of July beading kit. Continue watching to find out how I do. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and happy 4th of July. My mom's here. You can't see her, but she's, this here.
Pull up.
Oh.
Yeah, you do a little twist. Yeah, there you go.
Oh. Is this the string we use?
Mm-hmm.
If you are new here, I have cerebral palsy, so I only can use my left arm and hand, so this is why it is going to be a little challenging for me. But I thought, why not try?
This should be a good assortment of the different things.
Yeah.
So you have a lot of different letters to spell words.
I wonder, I could try saying July 4th, or happy, I don't know, happy July 4th may be too long. But, do they have a P?
Oh yes, I'm sure.
I need to find a
one P.
I want to say Party in the USA. If you know that song, then you must be around my age.
In Megan's generation.
Yes. In the U.S. Oh wait, I got it! There! We got it! Pie in the USA. I can add some of these beads.
Red, white, and blue balls. And there's also hearts. And gold and silver balls.
This is so fun!
Yeah, you definitely need more balls to go. See, it stretches.
Yeah. I like it a little loose. Because it will be easier to take off.
Remember though, you're going to put it on. You don't want it to just come and fall off the other end.
Oh yeah.
So I think making a knot.
Oh yeah, that part I can't do.
And it's also where you tie it once you have all the beads on.
This is fun. As we haven't even done one. But yeah, I wouldn't be able to tie the knot. Oh, gonna show you, I'm wearing a July 4th sock, or I guess sweater vest. I'm in my sweater vest era. So my mom, well, you can't really see it too far away, but my mom made the knot. Okay, now I can sock, so you... Oh! I did it! I did it! It's staying on! Beautiful. So, should I put
you have to think about what the pattern is that you want. You're going to need a lot more beads.
This is actually so fun. I should get another kit that is just fun. Mom, I feel like I could do this. We need to do the knot.
Okay.
And tie it then. But, wait, I got one in. Or maybe that was just lucky. I spoke too soon. I think I want to do white and then red and then letters, then a heart. Or maybe I do a heart every other one. Wait, it's red, white, and blue. I should have done red first.
That's fine. Do the white, so then it was like red, white, and blue in the opposite.
Oh. Got that?
Awesome. They're pretty good size holes in the beads, so that's good.
Yes, that makes it easier. Mama, you gonna make one?
Yeah.
I love this! Wait, Mom, let me try to use my right hand.
Okay.
I could go like this. I can do it. Oh, I had it! And then I lost it. I did it!
Yay.
Oh, now I'm kind of sorry.
Okay. You did it.
Yes, that hole is smaller, like you said, so. Oh yeah, got it.
These ones are a lot easier, the letters.
Yeah. got USA done.
Put something in between, like at least one bead or a couple of beads or a heart and a bead.
Maybe a heart, maybe this heart.
Okay.
And then, what about a silver? Oh no, maybe I should do one of these. Mom, I'm doing good.
Yes, you are.
It's really not, they made the holes pretty good, and it's really just tying it and doing the knot and stuff. And so,
No, the.
Oh.
Right? Yeah, it's the. Sometimes do you think if you just set the bead down and then picked up the string and went in through the hole? Because that's such a big hole.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What if I do this? It's too big. I mean, it's too small. This hole is so small.
I can't even see it. It's so small.
May I have it? There.
Good job.
I got it. Teamwork.
Awesome.
Blue. I can do this. Mom, you think I'm doing better than you thought I would?
Yes, absolutely. Much.
You thought I was going to get so frustrated and...
I have a memory of when you were young in elementary school and one of your little school friends had a birthday party at a beading place where there were a bazillion little beads and strings and you were only like 6 or 7. And so you had much less patience than you do now, and you had less fine motor skill than you have now. And it was frustrating for you to try to do the beading at that.
Well, I'm sore.
At that place. It was a little overwhelming. We worked together, you and I, so...
Yeah, this would be good practice. Yep. Good.
Very good.
Now we're ready to party in the USA. Now I'm going to finish this off
Red
with some fun beads.
and blue. You're really good at it.
I know. It's like I've been practicing, but I haven't. And this reminds me of like the friendship bracelets for the Eras tour.
Uh-huh.
We never made any ourselves, but maybe I should have been since I'm going so good at this. Let me do, should I do 2 hearts? No, just 1 heart. Or, you know what I can do is another, and then I can do another one of these hearts after I do it. I have a plan. Mom, you want to do one of these? My mom's gonna make one. She's gonna be a lot faster than me.
I don't know about
we've
that.
We've been recording for 30 minutes. My camera's sharp, so I may make one more after this. I don't know. That may be it for me. But I love the party in the USA. I may have to listen to that song.
What are you talking about? We should be listening to it right now.
Party in the USA?
Yeah.
Mom, we'll get copyrighted though.
Oh, okay.
Maybe after we film, we'll have a party. Listening to Party in the USA. So this one...
Oh, shoot.
What happened?
Well, I guess I'm trying to make it at the very end of the rope of the string. That looks nice.
I know. Thanks, man. I did good.
I wish there were numbers.
Yeah, they should have
There are definitely no numbers.
Probably not.
No.
I'm surprised they don't have like a 4.
Because it's also the 250th.
Yeah. Oh, that's my first drop.
Which bead was it? Just get another one and we'll find it later.
Red one. Oh no. Mom.
What?
Now I'm falling apart.
Okay, hold on. Okay, just be careful.
Okay. It's because
you're probably close to where you want to tie it off.
It's because I'm getting close.
Yeah.
So you think just the red one and then probably tie it before I just ruin it?
Yeah.
Come Imagine watching this whole video being like, yo, wow, you're doing so well, and then at the end. Yeah, maybe I'll leave it like that. What do you think, Mom?
I think so.
I love it. Here it is. Before we tie it, I did pretty good. Not to brag.
You did, though.
Oh, wait, is it too big? Remember, this is our first one. So, if it fails...
Try that.
Oh, yes. It is a layer big. I mean...
Oh, so that's a good lesson to learn. It might be a little too big, huh?
Yeah.
Like compared to the... I mean, it's not that much bigger, but yet it is bigger than that one.
I mean, I do like bigger ones because it is easier to take off.
But you also don't want it to fall off.
Yeah, because if I was...
Oh, I don't think it'll fall off.
I don't think it will.
But it's close.
It's close. Like, I don't know if you can see, it goes like that. But this was our first one. So I say...
Success.
Yes. Success. It wasn't a fail. I love it though. Pie in the USA. Here it is up close. Pie in the USA. What one should I do next? I think I'm just going to do love.
Okay.
I don't know. That's not really like 4th of July theme, is it?
I mean, it's not Valentine's Day, but...
Oh, I had freedom. How about freedom?
Yeah. Yeah, that's one.
Oh, let me do America. Let's see if I can spell America. Come on. You want it back? A-M-E-E-R. R-E-I-A. Wait. A-M-E-R-E-I-A.
I-C-A.
I-C-A. Wait. Not A-M-E-R-I-C-A-E.
C-A. No E on the end.
So let me get this straight. A-M-E-R-I-C-A. America. Let's see if I can be even faster. I challenge everyone to do this with one arm. Could you?
I'm struggling with 2.
I'm kind of better than you at this with this part.
You are.
Look at me go! Oh, every time I say that, then I don't do it as good. My mom finished hers, says July 4th.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 1
Oh wait, no. Yep.
Yeah, there's an A on the end. It starts with an A and it ends with an A.
Oh my goodness. Mom, am I that bad at spelling?
No.
Well, you're saying that.
Your beading is a little better than your spelling.
I take that. It is. I don't know what I'm doing, but I am doing so well.
You're going fast.
I know, I am. Well, the letters are super easy because the holes are like whose? Oh, right.
Just as you said that.
So now I'm going to do another, just like the same pattern.
Okay.
My mom's finishing it off, but I did good, Mom.
You sure did. Again, like,
I'm proud.
you're better than I am at this.
I like it, Mom. In the meantime, look at my bracelets. I love them. But yeah, you can tell. Just looking, you can tell the first one I did. Well, actually, that the other one my mom did, but the first one is a lot bigger. So, update. The ones we did, they got smaller every time.
Small, smaller, smallest.
This is the last one I did. Compared to this. But it was our first time. My first time. Overall, I did really good. Really.
You did. Awesome.
I love the hearts. Thanks, Mom. I hope you enjoy watching us do this, and it wasn't a complete fail.
Happy July 4th.
Yes, happy July 4th. I hope you are having a great July 4th. If you are watching this after July 4th, I hope you had a great day, July 4th. And I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!
Bye.
Happy July 4th! Bracelets! Freedom!
Freedom. Freedom.
Oh, shall we go live? It came with a bracelet already made. I could just say I get this one.
Where's the bead?
It's right here. I need my right hand off it. Oh, wait. You know, I was just thinking we should make some for other people.
Yeah.
But this one's for me. This one.
I wouldn't keep the camera on this. It's too boring.